Hey y'all, it's Jen. Welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be starting a new design team project for Creating with Jovi. I'm going to be using a digital printable design paper kit that is available over in her Etsy shop called the Shabby Farmhouse Junk Journal Kit. Now the entire kit is 20 pages of different things. There are 11 pages that are decorative pages. There are 4 pages that are background pages. And then there are 5 pages of tags and extra little embellishments and things to cut out. Now I've not printed the entire kit. I just printed part of the kit. And I did print on the back of these because these are going to be the pages that I'm going to work with for my project. So I did print the red barn because right down the road from me there's a little red barn. Absolutely love that barn. Little chickens here, some feed sacks, and some florals, and this pink checkered background. And on the back of this, I used one of the decorative pages. This page with the little farmhouse here on the corner. And on the back, I used one of the background sheets. And this is really pretty. It looks like vintage wallpaper. Very pretty page. This is a page of the cutouts and journaling cards. Now this one says positive, this one says good vibes. They're just little things to decorate and add to your creations. Another page of these. Now I did shrink these down again. I printed these 2 to a page. So I printed, this is on one page. And then this will be on another page. So I just printed these half size and flipped my paper over and printed again to save paper. And then I printed this background page onto the back of these. So they were decorated already when I cut them out. Absolutely love this card catalog page. Don't know what I'm gonna do with it yet, but I really like this page. Another background page here. Pretty florals along this page, and you know, if you fold it in half, you have some writing space here and some decorated space here, or you could add embellishments and pockets and things up here, flip ups, flip outs. And then this is also one of the background pages, is pink plaid. And 2 more pages of the cards and tags and embellishments. This says home is our happy place. This one says home sweet home. Love the sunflowers. And then these in the pink tones. And this says enjoy the little things. And then I also printed the pink checkered pink plaid paper on the back of this. So I will decide exactly what I'm going to do for the project itself and start working on this a little bit at a time. No guarantee as to when I will get it done. And I may or may not share process videos for this. I'm not sure yet. Okay, so a lot of things going on with my daughter's schooling and things in our community still here in Hunt and surrounding communities. So if you are interested, please go over to Creating with Jovi's Etsy shop and take a look at her digital printable paper design kits. I will link all of her information below. She also has Facebook and TikTok and Instagram and all the things. So I will link all of that stuff below in the description box if you are on my YouTube channel. If you are on TikTok, I will tag her in the comments so you can go and find her on TikTok. All right, thanks for watching, y'all.